What if I told you the most powerful man in the world didn't care about power? That the emperor of Rome, Marcus Aurelius, kept a private journal not to rule others, but to rule himself. He knew something we've all forgotten. You could leave life right now. Let that guide what you do, say, and think. Marcus Aurelius wasn't just a king. He was a philosopher, a warrior of the mind. And 2,000 years later, his words might just save your life. These are the lessons of the last great Stoic, and how they can change your world today. A plague is tearing through Rome. People are dying. The economy's collapsing. And what does Marcus do? He walks through his palace and starts putting things up for sale. The robes, the jewels, the furniture, gone. Why? Because a true leader sacrifices. Because greatness isn't shown in gold, but in courage. This wasn't a PR move. It was character. It's like a CEO taking a pay cut so others can eat, or a soldier who gives up comfort so others can survive. Marcus knew, when the world is falling apart, you hold others up. You're not stuck, you just think you are. Marcus wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Life throws walls at you. Fine, climb over, go around, or break through. Because nothing can stop your ability to be patient, to be kind, to grow. Even if life says no to one path, the Stoic finds another. You know what you need to do. Start the business. Lose the weight, apologize, write the book. So why haven't you? Marcus says, you could be good today. Instead, you choose tomorrow. Discipline means action. Not someday, not later. Now. Start with one small step, because that's how every journey begins. Think your anxiety is caused by work, by people, by traffic? Think again. Marcus wrote, I escaped anxiety, not by running away, but by discarding it. During a pandemic, he realized, peace isn't outside, it's within. If your mind is noisy in silence, the noise isn't out there, it's you, and that means you have the power to silence it. Marcus didn't sleep in, though he could have. He woke early, journaled, and asked, was I made to feel cozy under the blankets, or to do the work of a human being? He faced the day with focus and fire. He knew how you start your day shapes everything. Begin with purpose, begin with clarity, begin like an emperor. It's called self-discipline for a reason. It's not for them, it's for you. Marcus said, be tolerant with others, strict with yourself, judge less, control less, focus on your path, your effort, your mastery. That's Stoicism. Marcus didn't like people. In Meditations, he opens with a rant on how annoying humans are, but then he flips it. People are the obstacle, and the obstacle is the way. They test your patience, your forgiveness, your kindness. So don't resent them, use them, because how you act when others don't is the measure of who you really are. Is this essential? Ask it, often. Because most of what we do is not. We say yes to things that don't matter, then wonder where our peace went. Marcus reminds us, eliminate the noise, and what remains will be worthy of your time and soul. Let me leave you with 3 Stoic truths Marcus lived by. 1. Amor fati, love your fate. Turn every event, good or bad, into fuel for greatness. Be like fire, burn brighter because of adversity. 2. Serve others. The fruit of life is character and acts for the common good. The Stoics weren't just wise, they were kind. 3. Memento mori. You could leave life right now. Let that determine not just how you die, but how you live. Marcus Aurelius is gone. But his words remain, not to be admired, but to be used. So use them, live them, and remember, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Choose wisely.